Mechanical engineers design and develop everything you think of as a machine, from supersonic jets, space vehicles and car engines, to elevators and air conditioners. With a growing demand for mechanical engineers in the environmental, biomedical, aerospace and nanotechnology fields, a mechanical engineering career can be diverse, with opportunities to innovate around every corner.
The reason I chose to study mechanical engineering is because of my interest in cars and planes, and mechanical engineering was an obvious choice because of that.
Bachelor of Engineering Honours Mechanical at the University of Sydney teaches you how to design, construct, monitor and maintain mechanical systems of all sorts, from individual components through to integrated systems and entire mechanical engineering system.
So something I really enjoy about my mechanical engineering degree is fluid mechanics. So we analyse fluid flows, how they kind of work around different bodies, whether it's streamlined, a bluff body. There's a wind tunnel that we get to look at, and so they kind of dye the air at one side so you can see how the air streams.
One of the wonderful opportunities that our students have is to get involved in the Formula SAE racing team. They can start this in their first year and it culminates with a leadership role in the team in their final year. It involves the design, construction, maintenance and racing of a vehicle against students from other universities and from other institutions.
So as part of our degree at University of Sydney, we do a 12-month industry placement. I did it at ACON, which is an engineering consultancy. So I worked in fire protection, which is designing sprinkler and detection systems for buildings. So the main project that I worked on was a 30-storey high-rise. We had a set of tanks in the basement and we had to figure out how to get the water from the basement up into the top floor to subdue a fire.
Our graduates work in the design, construction, monitoring and maintenance of all sorts of equipment. This includes high-tech manufacturing industries, the design and construction of ships and submarines. They work in power stations. They work in the development of hospital equipment and biomedical devices.
My mechanical engineering degree from the University of Sydney has provided me with the foundations to start my own business. I'm currently the Director for Rail Confidence and I manage 10 engineering staff who consult on rolling stock matters around the country. Whilst I studied at the university, we were given a fair few opportunities to go out on site and see real-world examples of how mechanical engineering is being applied. In one particular instance, we got the opportunity to go out to Main Train out at Auburn, which is the major maintenance facility for Sydney trains, and we got to see the heavy maintenance being undertaken on the rolling stock. I believe there are a number of roles available for mechanical engineers depending on where they are within their career. These range from design roles through to consulting and advising, all the way through to something that you wouldn't typically expect engineers to be involved in: financial advising, management and legal advice.